Now when the Ukrainian military is abandoning Severodonetsk and withdrawing to more defensible positions, the question is, yes, Russia is winning in parts of the Donbas, but at what cost? The battle for the small Ukrainian city lasted more than 3 weeks and cost the Russian forces considerably in men, hardware, and time, while the Ukrainian forces managed to stall the invasion and buy more time and get more weapons from the West. The US-based Institute for War just released its report, which says that the capture of Severodonetsk and Lysychansk will not be a decisive point of the war for the Russians. Also, the institute predicts that Russians' offensive will stall in the next weeks. I just want to put into context what we're seeing in Severodonetsk in terms of the Ukrainian armed forces managed retrograde from that location. And the context that I want to share is just, when you look at the sweep of the past 4 months, obviously we've seen Russia having to, completely recalibrate its plans because its initial plans were overly ambitious and mismanaged, going from their multi-axis attempt that was defeated by the Ukrainians to now, a focus on eastern Ukraine. And really, the Russians are just eking out inch by inch of territory here, a senior US defense official said during a press briefing on Friday. In its daily estimate of the war, the British Ministry of Defense touched on the Russian advances in the Donbas, but mainly focused on the personnel changes in the Russian military hierarchy. Ukraine is likely reconfiguring its defense of the Severodonetsk-Lysychansk sector as Russian armored units continue to make creeping gains on the southern edge of the build-up area, the British military intelligence assessed. Since the start of June, the Russian High Command has highly likely removed several generals from key operational command roles in the war in Ukraine. These includes the Commander of Airborne Forces General Colonel Andrei Serdyukov and Commander Southern Group of Forces General of the Army Alexander Dvornikov. Dvornikov was also for a time probably acting as overall operational commander, the British Ministry of Defense stated. Before being appointed as the overall commander of the Russian effort in Ukraine, up to that point, Dvornikov was commanding the Russian Southern Military District. Before that appointment, Dvornikov had served in Syria as the first commander of the Russian Expeditionary Force that went to the aid of Syrian dictator Bashar al-Assad. For his actions in Syria, Dvornikov was made a hero of the Russian Federation. Command of the SGF is likely to transfer to Colonel General Sergei Surovikin, as SGF continues to perform a central part in Russia's offensive in the Donbas. For over 30 years, Surovikin's career has been dogged with allegations of corruption and brutality, the British military intelligence added. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.